No, no.
Okay, fine. So
I have to redo this once after the calls.
okay. So I'll click on the HTML advanced, and we have the 2 and 1 we have selected that.
Yeah.
I'll click on OK
Yeah, this is it.
and click on OK. Now I'll click on start recording.
Start recording. Okay.
So now I'll click on the comment. Once this has been stopped, then only I'll click on the comment. Till that I will not click on the comment. Username I'll give. Okay. Username, since I already signed up, I will just give this username. Login. Okay, I click on the option called flights. I click on flights.
So the insert comment is always mandatory, is it? Just to navigate to the different tabs.
It's not mandatory, but it will be helpful when we identify a particular page. For example, we will be giving. I told there are 4 options such as transactions, correlation, parametration, and text check in our script. So to use that, instead of using it here itself, see if I click an insert action here, it will automatically insert action. And let's say one transaction I have given, I need to stop this transaction. If I forget to stop this transaction, what will happen is that the entire application will be coming under single transaction, so which is not acceptable. So that's the reason that I'll be just going with the command button, and later I'll be adding the transaction later. Transaction is an important part that needs to be always added in our application.
Okay.
Sorry, in our scripting. Okay. I click on find file and click on OK, and click on that and click on continue.
What if you don't give in the insert comment as find flights? It will not take, right? It will not.
It will not take. It is not nothing like that. Actually, it's comment is something for our own understanding.
Oh, okay.
So I'll show you how. I'll show you where it will be helpful. So I'll just click on continue, and I'll click on payment details. I'll click on sign out. Stop. So now you can see that username is here, flights is here, continue is here, sign off.
We gave find flights, right?
Yes, everything will be here. 1 second. So we have username here, flights here, find the flights also here, continue here, payment details here, sign off here, and close window. Okay. So did you see everything? Whatever the command that I gave it. So for example here, right? If you don't give the username, this is not there. Okay, username is not there. How can we identify from which part the home page starts? I mean the username. So to avoid that confusion, we'll be using.
You gave something called find flights. So it is not displayed here?
Yes, it's displayed. So we display all things.
Find flights?
Yes, it's displayed. Flights, okay? Find flight.
Find. Oh, okay.
And the next one will be continue, and the next one will be payment details, and the next one will be sign off. Okay. So I told you about something called as transaction. So we have one underscore transaction, right? I told you to add the transaction, right?
For what?
I just like that click the transaction saying that this is one transaction that has been available. Okay, don't get confused. Just leave that.
Oh,
I'll, I'll,
okay. Can
I'll,
you
I'll,
show me
teach,
that again?
I'll teach you later. I'll teach you later.
I missed. Okay.
Everything has been done. Now the recording has been completed. Okay.
Mm.
So
Mm.
the recording has been done using the recording options in a part called HTML based recording. So now I'll go for the
Mm.
record in a separate steps and concurrent views. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
I click on
Just to
OK.
see how it appears,
Yeah, just to see.
right?
Yeah.
Mm.
So we have an option called regenerate script.
Mm.
Okay, regenerate script is nothing but if we go here to the recording options and click on regenerate script, this script alone will
Mm.
be again regenerated based on your thing. What do you call?
Okay, it will override.
Yeah, it will overwrite. It will overwrite with the latest option, whatever is in the recording option. Okay, I'll click
Okay,
on
script
OK.
type is the second one you
Yes,
selected.
yes. Now I have selected change everything to the second option. 2 and 2. Previously, I had 2 and 1, which is always the 2 and 1 will
Mm.
be the option for all types of
Mm.
scripting. Now I'm going for 2 and 2.
Now 2 and 2.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll click on OK. I'll click on OK.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll click on OK. So I don't need to go to the browser and perform another recording. It will automatically regenerate my its own script and it will show me here. So it is done. See, previously we had only one page, right? So
Mm.
login we had only one call. Now web URL has been another thing. So you can see that there are two calls for the login itself.
Mm.
This is the main difference for that, between that and this. You are getting it or what?
What it showed us, can you repeat again?
Yeah, in previously
What difference? Uh,
it didn't have these things actually. This
yeah,
image
correct. That
icon and all this.
URL.
So it didn't have such
Uh-huh.
details. So now it has been decided. That is the
Yes.
main difference between the normal scripting and with the second option.
What is this? Why it's displaying like this with your Bing.com and all that?
Which.com? Sorry.
Something HTTPS www.bing.com. Why it's displaying like this?
Actually, when I clicked on the browser, right? When I clicked on the
Uh,
browser, it will always try to open the home page of the particular browser.
oh,
Okay,
okay. What was their default?
here my
Hmm.
home page will be defaultly this thing. So
Okay.
for that it is giving like this.
Mhm. Okay.
So previously that will not be displayed because it is not necessary. So it has an understanding.
Hmm.
So now what it does is that
This is like little. This is like little confusing, no? The second option.
yeah, that's what I told. The first one will be much easier when compared to the remaining option.
Yeah. Understanding format at least the first one.
Yes. So
Okay.
the next one will be the URL mode of recording. Okay. So if you go
Hmm.
here, the third one option do not record will not record anything. Okay.
Hmm.
So what if I go to the do not record, it will not record any non-HTML resources. For example, if there is any web page, okay,
Hmm.
which has HTML calls and also images and also flash files. Okay, the images and
Okay.
flash files will not be recorded. Only the HTML calls will be recorded.
Okay.
So that is the one thing. So we'll be just clicking here. Click on OK. Next one will be URL based scripting. You have any doubts so far?
No.
Okay, the next one is the URL based method.
When I try to do it, maybe I'll have
Definitely you'll
doubts.
have. Definitely you'll have a lot of doubts. You'll come up with a lot of questions. I'm sure about it.
Yeah. Even though you have showed this, the same thing I'll have the doubts for sure.
Yeah, definitely. It's
I will mail you. Is it fine?
you can make a
I will
note of
send
it.
out a mail.
Yeah, you can make a note of it.
Yeah.
Mail me anything is fine. I'll just explain you how it has been done.
Okay.
No problem.
Hmm.
So this is the same thing. What it does is that a concurrent group. There will be a option called LR underscore concurrent start, LR underscore concurrent end. Okay, its main
Mm-hmm.
use is to capture the entire thing into under concurrent calls. That's what it does. So I'll
Okay.
show you that also. So you can see here, right? Concurrent start, concurrent end is there.
Mm. Yes.
So this in here we have a lot of calls to be defined. So you can see what each everything is separated into a different one. So this is the home page. Sorry, this is not the home page. I have given the command.
Mm.
So the still previously we just had was a single link, and now see how many
Mm.
strings for just the home page is there. This is the username. So we have
Mm.
the call here. So it says web underscore concurrent start till end is in one particular function. Let's say if it has been navigated to a different page or an icon or a menu,
Mm.
whatever it might be, that will be captured into a single
Okay.
call. Previously, these calls will not be available because it is already present in the home page of the application. It is already present in this
Okay.
call of the application. This one,
Okay.
this web underscore summary, it is already present. But now what it happens that it splits separately and it goes here. You're getting it?
Okay. Yeah.
These options are used to drill down the script application to have a better understanding of the
Mm-hmm.
script, and also if there are
Mm-hmm.
any issues in the normal method of recording, we can go for this next step of
Mm.
recording. For example, some of the
Okay.
application will not be able to record, so at that time we'll be
Mm.
using these things. Okay.
Okay.
You have any doubts so far?
No, not now. For this installation, no, I just saw now. LoadRunner license utility, install new license. Is it required?
So yeah, I'm not getting it. Can you connect it again? Really sorry.
Okay. Yeah,
because
can you give me the?
because it's I have installed this a long back, but I'm not sure with the options.
Uh, can you
So
give me the presenter
yeah,
rights?
each time they are changing this on their own knowledge, and there is no update on that part. But
Yeah,
this
this
time,
one.
one second, one second. I'm not able to see. I'm not able to see your screen.
This. Now.
No.
Yes.